What's going on, guys? It's your man Mike back again with another video. These are the Nanoleaf Aurora rhythm setup here. I have the starter kit, which has 9 leaves inside of it, as they call them. And just taking a look inside the box, you have the startup guide that sends you to a site for the setup. You have the actual leaf itself. They're very light and very easy to connect. Using those pins right there, as you see on the power station, you just connect them and you get power to each light. And once you do that, there's a power button there and a cycle button there as well. That's your rhythm button. That's what helps set this apart from the standard Nanoleaf set. So you just click that button one time when you plug it up, and it'll give you rhythm options to connect the music. Those are going to be your connector pins that you use to connect each leaf, along with your power cable. That's the first part, and then that's the actual part with the rest of it. And then underneath there, you see you got a little green Nanoleaf sticker along with your 3M sticky tape to help mount it to a wall. Depending on the surface of the wall, you may want to use their nail kit, but let's take a look at it once you get it powered up. So I've got a few of them here set up on my desk, and this is what they're going to look like once you get them powered on. Now, I do have some of the lights dimmed in the room, but as you can see, these are pretty bright. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice, but you use those connector pins there that you just saw before I snapped it into place. And that's how you get power when you're moving them or when you're assembling them however you want to. And you can easily just take it right out and move it to another side of the triangle to get another light. Or to get another design, I should say. And they're really dope once you get it all set up. I'm going to go for a little bit of a pyramid design with mine. Maybe get an expansion pack in the future to make it a little bit bigger, but I really think that the triangle that I'm going to do with mine is going to look pretty dope. I kind of want to get a Triforce going. So let's get it all mounted on the wall and take a look at it and see what it looks like. So once you get it mounted, this is what it's going to look like. Now, this is my setup, so your mileage may vary. I really do like this, though. This is going to make movie night pretty epic. So this is the Nanoleaf Aurora Rhythm. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.